Hi, this is Chris Kellett with musegrid.com. We're going to take a look at the new bakery template that we've created this week. So you can see here the Baked Creations Bakery. This is all text here with just the logo that can be swapped out here. So most of the items here are all HTML text so that you can swap out things quite easily. And the design was meant to feel like, a nice cupcake bakery and a nice, friendly, fun kind of atmosphere that you would hope to see on this kind of a site. We must say that we did enjoy building this site. So we've got some lovely cakes in here. So we have on the home page, this main section here, we did away with a slider here because we felt it was probably a better idea to just have this nice imagery here. We have a nice rollover menu style, and then down here we have our popular cakes, and these are using the same image but just different sections of it so that you get this nice fading effect to really showcase that cake. And then we have our footer area with a quick note area for people to send in a message to the company. In our welcome section we can see all of the staff members and what they do. We have our services page with a breakdown of all the different services, and most importantly the gallery here, which showcases some of the creations that Baked Creations make, and this is very easy to update as well. And then lastly we have the contact page with the location and the contact details. So it's quite a straightforward, simple site, but certainly adequate for just about any bakery you could think about. The mobile version as well, which I will pull up here we'll resize the browser here. What we've done here is we've fitted everything onto a single page, and then we've used this nice kind of fountain of icons here to create this nice navigation with the scroll down to each different section, and then a nice clear click to call button. And because with a mobile site, the most important thing here, opening times, contact details, and probably to make a phone call. So nice mobile version of the site, but again very simple, straightforward, but everything you need for this kind of a site. So let's jump into it in Muse. We have a home and a page master, very straightforward layouts. In our page master we've got our footer area with all of our different sections here, and I think the main thing that people will be having questions about how to modify is the gallery. So we're just using a normal thumbnail gallery that we've styled up in Muse. We have set the images to be, if we take a look at the fill here, you can see that, let's pull up the states panel as well. So you can see on normal the opacity is set to 80, and then on rollover and active the opacity is set to 100, so the image just pops as you select it. Nicely laid out with a coloured border, and then our left and right navigation nicely set out. So if we click on the gallery here and we'll click on the options icon, we can just add images directly from that with the folder icon here. So delete everything, all of the images but one, so that you've still got otherwise the entire gallery will delete. Then add all of your new images to the gallery and delete the last one that is left there, and then you'll have this gallery all styled up. You could add more images to it if you wanted to, resize these boxes. Sitting behind the box is a shadow that we can see here. We can see we've got this transparent PNG graphic here creating the shadow, so very easy to modify and rescale to take more images. And then if we jump into the mobile view, you can see that there's only a single page here to modify. We have anchor points connected to each of the icons here as you scroll down the page. All of these circles and the content, it's all HTML text so that you can modify everything, and it's a more simplified version with the focus being on what's important to a mobile user. Very easy to change, and we're using our 5-color palette here, compatible with cooler colors. So when you're looking at the site, the darkest color on the site, which in this case is this text here. Change that, and it's easy to change the color. So if we right click on the color, swatch options, and then we can change this color. Let's change this to a more of a dark blue, let's say. Click OK, and you'll see that that color is now dark blue. Now the color below it, which is this color here, let's change that. So we right click on it, swatch options. Let's change that again to, let's pull it down to the blue scale here. Click OK, and we can see all of our blues have changed here. So we've got this pink color here. Let's change that. Again, let's take it down into the blue area. Click OK, and everything's updated. You may need to change some of these graphics, but all of the HTML sections have changed, and you can see it's very straightforward and easy to modify the look and feel of the site using the swatch colors there. Our character style, paragraph and character styles as well. We've updated, we've got all of our character styles in here, so they're very easy to follow, and the graphic styles as well. You can see they're named anything to do with a menu as a menu here, the user interface, so the different button options and layout styles, and anything to do with widgets. So it's very easy to follow to modify our styles as well. And that's pretty much it. So it's a nice straightforward template, but hopefully it fills a gap with your customers. We look forward to seeing your modifications, and thanks for watching.